Hi everyone, this is Katie with Hillsborough County Communications and Digital Media, here to give you a quick recap of what happened during the Emergency Policy Group meeting on July 9th.
The county will soon open another COVID-19 public testing site located in Town and Country. The county is partnering with Tampa Family Health Centers to open the site, which will expand testing coverage to the western part of the county. The new site will offer Friday evening and Saturday appointments. It will be the 8th public site where Hillsborough residents can be tested free of charge. More information about the Town and Country site will be announced when appointments are made available. As a reminder, all residents who would like to be tested at any of the public locations must make an appointment by going online to hcflgov.net/COVID testing or by calling 888-513-6321 Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. In other news from today's meeting, EPG members heard an update on contact tracing from officials with the Florida Department of Health and USF's College of Public Health. It was noted that fewer people who test positive for COVID-19 are choosing to participate in optional contact tracing interviews. These interviews provide crucial information used to identify community patterns and hotspots in the spread of the virus. Both public health officials say it's extremely important that residents take part in the interviews when they are contacted. Also, people who have tested positive and have questions about self-care, quarantining, and other matters can call Florida's COVID-19 hotline at 866-779-6121 or email covid-19@flhealth.gov.
The next EPG meeting will be on Monday, July 13th at 1:30 p.m. You can watch that live on YouTube or on Facebook. Just search for Hillsborough FL. And we encourage you to visit hcflgov.net/stay safe for up-to-date information.